In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress block editor 2025, made easy in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, mastering the latest block editor is essential for creating engaging and visually appealing content. Let's dive right in and simplify this seemingly daunting task into straightforward steps. First things first, we need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the hub for all things related to your site and where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. Logging in gives you access to all the tools and features you'll need to manage and edit your website. Now, to streamline the process, click on Continue with Google. This option is not only convenient, but it also simplifies the login process by linking your WordPress account to your Google account. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This step ensures you're logging into the correct account and accessing the right WordPress settings associated with it. After successfully logging in, navigate to the right panel and find Quick Links. Under this, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking here will direct you to the back end of your website where you can start making those much needed changes. Once you've clicked on Edit Site, the next step is to select your website. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're choosing the correct one to avoid any confusion. Clicking on the correct website will allow you to see the options specific to that site. Inside the editor, you'll notice a plus icon in between the spaces of the editor interface. Click this plus icon. It's your gateway to adding various block elements to your site's pages. Blocks are the foundation of the new WordPress editing experience, allowing for a versatile content structure. When you want to introduce a new element, simply type in what you're looking to add, be it text, images, galleries, or any other multimedia component. Typing in your desired block element allows you to add the building block you need effortlessly. Alternatively, if you prefer navigating through a menu, there's an Add button located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this button provides access to the full block editor, showcasing a rich library of block options to choose from. This area also includes a handy search feature, so if there's a specific block you're after but can't find immediately, the search tool is your best friend. To sum up, mastering the WordPress block editor 2025 is all about knowing where to click and understanding the versatility offered by blocks. With these steps, creating content is not just efficient but also fun. Keep exploring and adapting, and soon you'll be an editing pro in no time. Thank you for watching and happy editing.